Most agencies won't grow in the next 5 years, not because they are bad at what they do, but because they are built that way. They are stuck doing everything themselves. The owner becomes the bottleneck, but one shift changes everything. Productize your agency. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how. If you run a marketing agency and you are tired of being stuck, stay with me. Why most agencies can't grow? Let me explain the trap first. Most agencies can't grow because they create a different solution for every client. When everything is custom, nothing can be repeated or delegated. As a result, every decision and problem comes back to the owner, turning them into the biggest bottleneck in the business. That's a trap, and the harder you work, the tighter it gets. Productizing means turning your custom service into a repeatable offer. One offer, one price, one process, one result. The same thing, delivered the same way every time. And here's how to do it in 7 simple steps. Step 1. Pick your one winning service. Most agencies offer too many things. Find the one service you are best at, clients love, and that makes the most profit. Then focus on that. The fastest growing agencies don't do everything, they do one thing exceptionally well. Step 2. Turn it into one promised outcome. Stop selling what you do. Start selling the result it creates. Clients don't want ad management or social posts. They want leads, sales, and growth. Turn your service into one clear promise. Step 3. Lock the scope. Be crystal clear on what's included and what's not. Without clear boundaries, clients keep asking for more and your profits disappear. Define the scope, write it down, stick to it. Step 4. Set one fixed price. Stop creating custom codes. Set one clear price for everyone. A fixed price makes sales easier, reduces negotiation, and makes your service feel like a real product. Step 5. Write the delivery into repeatable steps. Write every step required to deliver results from start to finish. Once the process is documented, it can be delegated. This becomes the operating system of your business. Step 6. Take yourself out of delivery. Assign every task to a person or system, not yourself. Document each step until someone else can execute it without you. When the business runs without your involvement, you stop being the worker and become the owner. Step 7. Name it and sell it as a product. Give your service a name. A named offer is easier to remember, explain, and sell. Then deliver the same outcome, process, and pricing every time. That's how you turn a service into a scalable product.
Before I show you why this makes you 10 times faster, I have to be honest with you about something. Productizing fixes how you deliver, but it does nothing for you if your calendar is empty. The best product in the world still dies if no clients are walking through the door. And filling that door consistently every single month is the one thing most agency owners never actually solve. That's the exact problem I solve. I work with marketing agencies, SaaS founders, and other B2B businesses. I find your perfect fit clients, the exact people who are ready to buy what you do, and I bring them to you. 5 to 6 highly targeted ready to buy calls every single month. No cold spray, no chasing, no begging for attention, just the right people landing on your calendar already warm. So while you prioritize the delivery side, I keep the demand side full. If you want that, the link is in the description. Book a quick call. On that call, we'll map your ideal client together live so you walk away knowing exactly who you should be going after, whether we work together or not. Now let me show you why all 7 of these steps are worth it. Why this makes you 10 times faster. Here's what changes the moment your agency becomes a product. You can train people in days instead of months because the work is the same every time. You can deliver faster because you are not reinventing anything. Your margins climb because every time you run the same process, you get better and cheaper at it. Your sales get easier because a clear product sells itself. And the business finally runs without you. But here's the real difference. A custom agency grows in a straight line. One more client means one more custom project means more work landing on your decks. A productized agency grows in a curve. One more client just means running the same machine one more time, and your team handles it without you. That's the difference between adding and multiplying. A custom agency adds, a productized agency multiplies. And multiplying is how one agency pulls 10 times ahead of another that is started in the exact same place. There is one more reason to do this now. When your work is custom, AI can't really help you because nothing repeats. But the moment you productize, the moment you have a return process with clear steps, everything changes. Because a return process is really just a set of instructions, and following instructions is exactly what AI is best at. So the steps you wrote down in step 5 become the steps you can hand to AI. The research, the first drafts, the reporting, the repetitive work that is to eat your team's day. The Productize agency doesn't just become scalable, it becomes AI powered automatically. Same revenue, a fraction of the cost. The custom agencies can do this. Their work is too messy for AI to touch. You can. That's the edge most owners will ignore for another year. Don't be most owners. Let me be honest about why most people won't do any of this. Productizing means giving something up. You have to give up saying yes to every request. You have to give up being needed for every decision. You have to give up the quiet pride of being the hero who saves every project, and that's hard. Being needed feels good, but being needed is exactly what keeps you small. The owners who grow 10 times faster aren't heroes, they are builders. They build a machine that runs without them, and then they go build the next thing. That's the real shift. From doing the work to designing the system that does the work. So here is everything in one breath. Pick your one winning service. Turn it into one promised outcome. Lock the scope, set one fixed price. Write the delivery into repeatable steps. Take yourself out of delivery, name it and sell it as a product. Then let AI run the boring parts and keep your people on what actually matters. 7 steps, that's the whole thing. Do them and you stop going in a straight line. You start going in a curve. And you pull away from the competition so fast, they don't understand how you did it. So here's where I will leave you. You can prioritize your delivery this month. That part is in your hands and now you know exactly how. But prioritizing only pays off when there are clients to deliver it to. A perfect machine with nothing to run is just a nice idea. So let me handle the hard half for you. While you build the product, I will fill the pipeline. I work with marketing agencies, SaaS founders, and B2B businesses. I map your exact ideal client and bring you 5 to 6 highly targeted, ready to buy clients every single month. Not cold leads, not maybes, the right people ready to talk. The link is in the description. Book a call. On that call, we'll map your perfect client live. So even if we never work together, you live with a clear plan then you came in with. If we are fit, we'll show you exactly how we will fill your calendar. If we are not, we'll tell you straight. We don't take everyone. We only work with agencies we know we can help. So if you are ready to prioritize the delivery and let someone else handle the demand, that link is waiting for you. Build the machine, I'll bring the fuel. Okay, I'll see you in the call.